pitches, everything is period and run and rise. For every 12 inches of run, you could say have 4 inches of rise. That's the most common pitch, a 4-12. A little less common, 8-12. That's in snowy areas. 12-12, super steep, generally large custom houses. A way to figure that out is if you were on your roof, if you have a level, this is a 2-foot level, I'm going to hold my level and measure up to it. And when I get my level, see what it says. Also making sure your tape is plumb. And that's 8 inches. So we know in 2 feet I have 8 inches of rise. That would make this a 4-12. If I say had 16 inches of rise, that would make it an 8-12. You multiply your rise rise by your, divide it by your feet. So this is 2-foot level.